Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm your teacher Miss Sitwat. Today we are going to memorize and practice of third kalma. As you know, we have divided third kalma in 3 parts and we have done first part in the last week. Now today we will do the second part of the third kalma with English translation. Now listen the recitation and repeat after it.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
ولا إله إلا الله والله أكبر.
And there is no God but Allah, and Allah is the greatest. Now you will repeat after me. And there is no God but Allah, and Allah is the greatest. I hope you will understand it. Now your homework is you have to memorize it, practice it at home, and take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.